Camelia Mendes, born on June 29, 1994. Her current age is 25 years. She used to date Charles Melton, but they recently broke up. The reason for the breakup was nothing in particular happened. They just both felt busy and overwhelmed, and it was a lot of pressure on them. It seems like she is dating fashion photographer Grayson. Lily Lanhart, she was born on September 13, 1996. She is currently 23 years old. She was dating Cole Sprouse and they broke up. According to the news, the distance between the two actors due to social distancing pandemic played a part in their relationship demise. Cole Sprouse, born on August 4, 1992, he is currently 27 years old. He used to date Lily Lanhart, but they broke up recently. He is currently single. Kennedy James Appa, he is from New Zealand. He is an actor, singer and musician. He was born on July 17, 1997. His current age is 22 years. He is probably one of the most eligible bachelors in Hollywood right now. Madeline Petts, she was born on August 18, 1994. Her current age is 25 years. She is from Washington and she recently broke up with musician Travis Mills. Cassie Morton Court, he was born on August 8, 1992. He is currently single. Vanessa Morgan, she was born on March 23, 1992. Her current age is 28 years. She is Canadian and married to Mitchell Kopech. Her spouse Mitchell Kopech is an American professional baseball pitcher for the Chicago White Sox of Major League Baseball. Ashley Monique Murray. She was born on January 18, 1988. She is currently 32 years old. She is currently single. Skeet Ulrich. Skeet Ulrich is an American actor. He is best known for his role in popular 1990s films as Billy Loomis. He was born on January 20, 1970. His current age is 50 years. He is from Virginia, United States. He was married to Amelia Jackson Gray, but they got divorced in 2015. Right now, Skeet Ulrich is engaged to 25 years old model Megan Blake. Matt Chen Elenia Emmerich. She was born on December 12, 1970. Her current age is 49 years. She is from Nevada, United States. She is currently married to David Alex and they have 2 children. She is known for her role as Shelley Johnson on the cult television series Twin Peaks. Charles Michael Melton. He was born on January 4, 1991. His current age is 29 years. He is from Alaska, United States and he used to date Camelia Mendes. He is known for his roles in Riverdale and the movie The Sun is also a star. Madison Nichols. She was born on November 2, 1973. Her current age is 46 years. She is known for her role as Nadia Yasser in the series Fox 24. She is currently married to Tyrone Lexton. Mark Consilos. He was born on March 30, 1971. His current age is 49 years. He is from Spain and is currently married to Kelly Ripa. Molly Ringwald. She was born on February 18, 1968. Her current age is 52 years. And she is from California, United States and is currently married to Penio Gayopoulos. Her upcoming movie is Kissing Booth 2. Jordan Connor. He was born on September 17, 1991. His current age is 28 years. He is engaged to his longtime girlfriend Jinjara Mitchell. Shannon Purser. She was born on June 27, 1977. Her current age is 22 years. She is from Georgia, United States. She is also a voice actress and she made her acting debut in the Netflix drama series Stranger Things as Barb. She completed her education from Kennesaw State University and she is currently single. Natalie Bolt. She is from South Africa and she was born on July 19, 1973. Her current age is 46 years. She graduated from Rhodes University and currently lives in Wellington, New Zealand. Ross Butler. He was born on May 17, 1990. His current age is 30 years and he completed his education from Ohio State University. He is currently single.